G'day guys, welcome back. Just in case you didn't know, we just want to share with you on our 65, 75 and 86 range of LEDs, we now have compatibility with your Chromebooks. As you can see, here's my Chromebook connected via a USB-C adapter to HDMI, USB-C touch cable plugged into my LED. We go to our sources and we open it up. And then of course here's my Chromebook. So like with any of our Windows machines, you can now just literally open up any application that you want. A good example for would be the Microsoft Whiteboard running through the web browser. And as you can see, I can write. It's quite responsive. And then of course, if I would like to zoom out or have my multi-touch, exactly like you would do on any of your phone devices, you can zoom in and zoom out. Thank you very much.